Have you ever missed an important call and wished your voicemail greeting sounded a little more professional? Or maybe you're just tired of the generic robotic voice that RingCentral gives you by default. Voicemail is more than just a message. It's an extension of your brand, a reflection of your professionalism. But let's be real, a bad voicemail greeting can do more harm than a good one can do good. It can make you sound unprofessional, unprepared, or just plain hard to reach. So, what's the secret to creating a greeting that makes a great first impression every single time? Well, it all starts with setting it up correctly. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the RingCentral platform and walk through exactly how to set up and customize your voicemail, from the simplest default settings to a custom greeting that's perfectly tailored to your business. We'll be covering everything you need to know, whether you're a new user or a seasoned pro looking for a refresh. By the end of this video, you'll be a voicemail master, able to configure your settings with confidence and leave a lasting, professional impression on every caller who reaches your inbox. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that RingCentral offers a few different ways to set up your voicemail. You can do it through the desktop or web app, the mobile app, or even over the phone. For most people, the desktop or web app is the easiest and most powerful way to customize your settings. Let's start there. Open up your RingCentral desktop application or log in to the web portal. Once you're in, look for the Settings gear icon, which is usually in the bottom left corner of the navigation bar. Click on it. This will open up a new menu with a lot of options. But for now, we want to focus on phone. Go ahead and click on the Phone tab. Now scroll down until you see the Voicemail Settings section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for Voicemail Greeting with a drop-down menu next to it. By default, it will likely say Default. The default option is what it sounds like. It's the standard RingCentral greeting that says something like, "Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for your name. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message." It's functional but not very personal. If you're a single user or a small business that wants to project a more polished and professional image, you're going to want to choose the custom option. So, go ahead and click on that drop-down and select Custom. When you select Custom, a new window will pop up with 3 different ways to record your greeting. This is one of RingCentral's great features. It gives you options. You can use your computer's microphone, a phone, or you can import a pre-recorded audio file. Let's break down each option. First, the computer microphone option. This is the simplest method if you have a decent microphone and you're in a quiet space. All you have to do is click the red Record button, speak your greeting, and then click the button again to stop. You can listen to your recording and, if you're happy with it, click Save. It's quick and easy. Next, we have the phone option. This is great if you want to record your greeting using your actual phone. Maybe you prefer the sound quality or you're more comfortable speaking on a phone. To use this, you just enter your phone number and RingCentral will call you. You'll be prompted to record your message over the phone. Once you're done, the recording is automatically saved and uploaded to your account. This is a fantastic hands-free way to get the job done. Finally, we have the importing option. This is for the perfectionists out there. If you've already recorded a professionally produced greeting, maybe with some background music, or you just want to get your recording just right in a separate program, you can upload it here. RingCentral accepts WAV or MP3 files, but make sure the file size doesn't exceed 20 megabytes. This gives you the most control over the final product. Once you've recorded or uploaded your custom greeting, there's one more important setting to consider in this section. Save messages in. This is a drop-down menu that lets you decide where your voicemails go. By default, it will be set to My Voicemail box, which means they'll appear in your personal inbox. But let's say you're an executive and you want your voicemails to go to an assistant. You can select Another extension and choose the extension of the person you want to receive your messages. It's a simple but incredibly useful feature for team collaboration and administrative support. Now, let's talk about the mobile app. The process is very similar, but the interface is a little different. Open the RingCentral mobile app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. From there, navigate to Phone and then Voicemail. You'll see the same options to choose between a default or custom greeting. If you choose custom, You can record directly on your phone using the microphone. It's perfect for when you're on the go and need to quickly update your greeting. But what if you're an admin for a larger organization? How do you manage voicemail for multiple users? RingCentral has you covered. As an admin, you'll need to log into the admin portal. Once you're in, go to the Users tab. From there, you can select any user in your organization. Navigate to their phone settings, and you'll find the same voicemail greeting options we just walked through. This allows you to set up or change a voicemail greeting for any user, ensuring consistency and professionalism across your entire team. You can even set up different greetings for different times, like a special holiday greeting or an after-hours message, by using the call handling and forwarding section. This is a very powerful tool for making sure your business is always on message, no matter the time of day. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.